Happy Thank You Patrons Day. So all around the world, people who have patron pages are thanking everyone that supports them for the support and the motivation for carrying on creating content. So knowing that everyone is out there helps me on a daily basis rethink testing, what information do I need to get out, look at comments and questions on Patreon and try to build content that meets your needs. So what I've done today is I've created a gist. So if you go off to the gist, and the link's in the Patreon post, you take the text, we're going to copy it, and any Patreon post this will work on. Not just my site, but any of the patrons that you go through. We'll go up to inspect, and in the console we're going to type in the code. Now this uses the same techniques that we covered in the Protect the Square micro course. Just a little bit of JavaScript into the console to manipulate the web page, and in this case it's just a quick scrolling message that you can look through and read. Now I'm going to create a video covering the techniques for that in more detail so that you can understand and learn that, but for the moment that's just a quick overview. But again, I appreciate, thank you very much for your support on Patreon. It massively helps me keep the motivation for understanding, learning, thinking about testing and creating new content. And that's how we've got over 170 plus exclusive Patreon posts, and what, 50% of those, I don't know how many of those, have got videos as well to support the information. So thank you again for supporting me on Patreon.